Hello everyone, welcome back to This Day in Weather. In this series, I'll talk about weather events that occurred in the United States on the same date as the video was posted in years past. Today, that date is February 14th. On this day in 1895, Houston, Texas was in day one of a 2-day snowstorm, dumping 20 inches of snow in the city, the most Houston has ever seen from one snowstorm. On this day in 1940, New England was blanketed with a blizzard with up to 18 inches of snow, with automobiles on Adams Square in Boston being stalled out in heavy snow. From the time it started to snow at 3 p.m., it fell at a rate of more than an inch an hour for the first 9 hours, and winds reached gale force of 60 miles per hour. On this day in 2007, a winter storm that peaked on this day after starting on the 12th before ending on the 17th produced heavy snowfalls from the midwestern U.S. from Nebraska to Ohio and produced similar conditions across parts of the northeastern U.S. The southern Ohio Valley and parts of the U.S. East Coast, including the cities of Boston, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., New York City, and Philadelphia, saw significant sleet and freezing rain. The southern U.S. saw a severe side to the storm, with 19 tornadoes reported, including one in a subdivision of New Orleans that was still recovering from the effects of Hurricane Katrina in August 2005. The storm killed 37 people total, one from tornadoes. Damage was estimated to be at $58.32 million 2007 United States dollars. This day in 2021 was in the middle of the 2021 Texas power crisis, lasting from the 10th through the 27th. The storm going on this day lasted from the 13th through the 17th. Dallas and Houston both saw the first ever wind chill warnings issued, as wind chills got down to minus 18 in Dallas and 0 in Houston. This storm had impacts throughout the United States, from southern New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, northwestern Alabama, Tennessee, east central Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Ohio, in the northeastern U.S. By this day, over 170 million Americans were under some kind of winter weather alerts, which was the largest area in 15 years. Over 120 million of these were winter storm warnings or ice storm warnings. Power grids failed across the U.S., causing blackouts for over 5.2 million homes and businesses, the vast majority of which were in Texas, becoming one of the largest blackouts in modern U.S. history and the largest since 2003. The storm was responsible for at least 276 deaths. 246 were in Texas. The storm was responsible for $25.5 billion 2021 United States dollars. That will do it for this edition of This Day in Weather, but be sure to stay tuned in, because every time there's a new video, you will learn about weather events that occurred in the United States on the date the video was posted in years past. Please hit the thumbs up button to like this video, and please hit the subscribe button to be sure to never miss a new video.